Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we will be unboxing what month is it? The March Glossybox. So here we go, I have it here, let's jump in and tuck in. Okay, so let's commence this video. I have here the Glossybox for March and I'm so excited to tuck into it. So this is literally, especially with lockdown, the highlight of like my month. Like literally payday comes in, a week later I get a Glossybox, and then the other 3 weeks they're shit. So this better be good. So they did in the last one, I can't get it down because I've got so much makeup resting on top of it, girl. They did this really funky design one. It was in aid of, what was it for? Valentine's Day, which is why it was like so romantic and lovely. This one is just the default Glossybox box. Glossybox is a monthly subscription service which costs £11 a month. And with that £11, you are investing in like a mystery box, a giveaway if you will. So you receive a box once a month, normally after the first week into March. Today is the 9th, I want to say, so I think it comes on the 8th. So it's like a little surprise. You just pay the monthly bill, you kind of forget about it, and it turns up at your door. So in every box there is at least £58 worth of product or above. So if it's shit, then you only spent £10, but you might get something you love. So when you open her up, you have normally a lovely layer of packaging. So it's gorgeous. It actually feels high end for £11. Like the box is cute. Like if you really are desperate for a gift box, just use this, Hans. You get inside here, and inside you get a leaflet, and the leaflet will tell you the prices of the products inside. So removing the leaflet, you get this really nice bow packaging, which normally I find is not actually ever a bow. So let's loosen her off and open up and see what goodies we have inside. Okay, I'm seeing some exciting colours in here already. So you get this little tin foil packaging here, ready for you to open up and reveal the goodies. So I'm going to keep it down here with myself, and I'll be going through the product by product and showing you what we received. So the first product that's drawn my eye is this one. This is the Botanic Beauty Nourishing Mascara, Volumizing Mascara enriched with almond oil and camellia oil. So this is a brand I've never heard of. Just to give you a backstory to it, this product does in fact retail for £15.50. So it's already, the price of your box covered with the mascara. So let's pull her out and see what she looks like. I have seen a little glimpse of a picture here to see what she looks like, but just to show you guys at home. So you pull her out of this packaging and you have this really sweet, nice tube of mascara. I don't have a mascara like this, so that's quite exciting and fun. And you have this really nice baby pink, baby blue moment with lily pads and things. Really cute packaging. And when you pull her out, it's a really nice big size bottle, so you get your product worth there. And it's just a generic mascara. So that's something I will not be trying, because obviously I have a full face of makeup. If you're wondering why I have this full face of makeup on for a Glossybox, it's very out there. It is because I just recorded my first TikTok. So if you wouldn't mind just following one of these searches here and following my TikTok, that would be amazing. You can see more of me with big smudges of brown lipstick on my lips 4 minutes into a video and make me feel absolutely disgusting. So the next product we have is a nail varnish. This is your Be Incredible Self with Nail Incorporated London. This is in the shade, I think, Palace Gardens. And I don't know if you can see, it's kind of like this shimmery moment. You see it in the lights. I don't know if you can see it very well, but in mine it's moving a lot. So when you open her up, it is this really, really nice, like grey blue. It's gorgeous. I don't normally paint my nails other colours because I do such a heavy duty job. So personally, I will not be using this, but it's something that I'll definitely give away for someone to use, one of my friends or family members, should they want this watching this video. You have to watch this video to get it. It's like a giveaway for the family. You have to subscribe, like, leave a comment, share on Facebook and Instagram, and you can have this £11 bottle Palace Gardens nail varnish for free. So moving on from that, it's actually quite on theme. So it matches the mascara, which is by the Botanic Beauty, really nicely. They go quite cute hand in hand. So the next product looks a bit more boring, so let's get this out of the way. This is the, it's NYX, that's good, that's a cute brand. So you've got NYX Professional Makeup Simply Vamp Lip Cream in the shade Purple. However, whoever's decided to package this for me has done me an absolute one over, and they have busted the end of the tip onto the end of it and it's smudged on there. Normally I wouldn't complain if I had a tip touching me, Hans, but this is not on. But this would actually go really nice with this look. Should we try it actually? So this retails for, well, it says from £4, so it was a lucky dip, so you just get a random one of a selection in here. I'm pretty happy with this, I would say. It looks to me like it's in like this deep dark purple, like a bit of a, I don't know actually, so just watch out my hands. So when you put her on, it is, oh, it is so soft, so you've got to be so careful. It actually feels broken, which is a bit disappointing really, but like I said, it's £11 a month. So this is actually this really nice purple. Should we try it? Let's try it on. Mine is actually broken, so that's really annoying. But that is not probably down to Glossybox. That's maybe down to the packaging or the postage. Or it's just unfortunate because these things do happen. It's not the end of the world. There's still a lot of product in there, so it's absolutely fine. So I'm just going to rub this together just to darken up the outer sides of my lips to make them look plumper and fuller, because we both know I have got no lips. Do you like that? Do you like that? Actually, joking aside, I know we are bouncing, but it actually looks pretty sick. Like if you have this really nice like nude brown lip going on and you've got like a dark smoky eye moment, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love that. I don't know how much it is. I'll find out and I'll Google it and I'll stick it on screen now. But it's cute. It's really nice. It literally feels like butter. You know when you have butter, obviously, and you put it on your sandwiches, it feels just like that. So that's so freaking cute. I'm gonna go in for the next boring products because I've only got 2 products left now. So in each beauty box, you get 5 products. Yes, 5 products, I know. Which means that on average of like £2.50 per product. Really bad maths, but go with it. So this is the next product I got. And I'm low-key buzzing over this because I have been thinking for a long time I need a new one. This is a beauty blender. It's a complexion sponge actually, to be precise. And it is by the brand So Eco. So I would imagine that this product is no doubt vegan and it's going to be cruelty-free, recycled. Yeah, so it is recycled. It is made from a tree or something like that. It says there 100 times beauty blender and a tree. Dunno, that could be interesting. So yeah, I mean, it's a beauty blender, isn't it? I mean, there's not going to be much hairs and graces about it. Let's open her up and see what she looks like, because I have got, honestly, the driest, like literally drier than most people I know's personality. Like, it is so flipping dry. Like, look at this. Like, genuinely, I think this literally resembles what my ball bag looks like. When you get that little dry area, literally looks like my ball bag. It is disgusting. But when you open her up, you have this really gorgeous teardrop shaped beauty blender, and it's, whoa, so soft. It's like this neon green. It's like glowing in the dark. It's very minty fresh. I'm getting very like spring vibes from this. I'm absolutely loving that so much. But it's really cute. I feel like it's going to absorb the water really well because they're only from Primark girls. But it's really cute. I'm actually really excited to try that. I'm not going to use it now because I don't want to ruin it. So yeah, that's cute. And that retails for £6, and that is by a brand called So Eco brushes. I think I have some brushes by them actually. I don't know if anyone at home has these like wooden ones. These are like my first makeup. This was my first makeup brush, was this one from Boots. Look, oh, look at that powder. This is my setting powder brush. All that powder. This is, yes, it's like an eco tool, and I'm telling you, the bristles are amazing. Like, you cannot go wrong with these brushes. If you are getting into makeup and you really want to get some good affordable brushes and feel good about yourself, definitely check out Eco Tools. So the last product inside my Beauty Babe box, this is now empty, is this absolutely gorgeous product. Like, this is exactly what I would pick up off a shelf. Now, does that not scream high end to you? So the brand that makes this is called Figs and Rouge, and this is a full-size product, and this retails for £38. I mean, that's like over triple the price of the subscription in itself. So this is actually really nice. This is a satin soft blurring primer and finishing fix for Ultra Prime. It comes in this really gorgeous pink and gold packaging. Nice metallic and reflective. It will look great on your vanity, your dressing table, whatever you want to call it. If you're American or English, hi, how are you? Gorgeous. So I'm so excited to try this. What does really sell it for me is if you get like this really nice smelling primer. Oh, girl. It's cute. So it comes this really nice little like dauber, little moment here. I'm going to put a bit of it on the back of my hand, and it is this pink, beautiful pink, like pearlescent shade. Like, it's very shiny, very shimmery. Does it have a smell? No, it's just bland, but it's really nice. Like, it is watery and refreshing. Would I spend £38 on it? Personally, I wouldn't know, but that's because I can't afford to spend £38 on it. If you have spare money, then great, go for it, why not? But this is what's so good about Glossybox, is you discover these new brands. Like, I've never heard of Fig and Rouge, I've never heard of Botanic Beauty, I've never heard of Nails Incorporated with a Palace Garden nail varnish. Never heard of them. Obviously NYX, everyone knows that. That's the girl on the block, do you know what I mean? Like, she's the ghetto bird. Whereas these two I never heard of, and look how nice they are. Like, these are like very niche products, which you would never find in Boots, because you don't go for it. You don't go for it, you just go for the what you know, you know. You know, Chantel from Up the Road says, oh my God, babe's got this proper nice bronzer from Boots for like $4.99 in the NYX section. You're gonna buy it, aren't you? Whereas someone says, oh darling, if you're popping under Selfridges at the weekend, maybe get yourself some, fucking hell, get yourself some Fig and Rouge primer. Whereas you ain't gonna do it, girls. You're like, oh yeah, that sounds nice, babe. Tell me more about that, Hans. And you know what she's gonna do? She's gonna say, oh yes, darling, and it's only £38. You're gonna say, girl, what the fuck? You know what you're gonna do? You're gonna say, bitch, I've got my Rimmel $4.99. I got this in a free box at Boots when I spent over £40. Like, you're gonna stick with this and you're gonna say fuck you to this. But do you know what? While you've got it, use it and flex it on your Instagram. Because that's what it's all about, girls. Believe me, I'll do it myself. You think I pay full price for anything? All of this, I think genuinely, I would like to think 60% of my makeup I bought in a sale. The rest of it's full price. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, that's it. There's your Glossybox video. Ta-da! This is going to be one of, I'm sure, about 100,000 other videos out there in the world. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe. Do you love my makeup look? I'm telling you, no, I feel fucking amazing. I literally feel like a cougar. However, I am only like 25, so it'd be a bit weird if I was a cougar. But yeah, I think the moral of this is I feel good. That's what I'm trying to deliver from this. Yeah, but also please follow my TikTok. There is a TikTok on there of me doing like some really old trend, and it's amazing, and this is phenomenal, and I feel like you're gonna totally love it. So yeah, good night. It is literally 11 o'clock at night. I've done a 5 in the morning shift till 3, and this is why I'm rambling so much, and I'm so like energetic, so I'm so tired, and I'm alone. I'm sad. Please subscribe, I love you, bye.